What does CC mean in email? CC, carbon copy, is when a copy of an email is sent to some people so that they are aware of the email, but do not need to respond to it. If you want to send an email to member A in your team, and also want to send a copy of the email to member B so that B can be informed in a timely manner, you can enter member A's email address in the recipient field and enter member B's email address in the CC field. What does BCC mean in email? BCC, blind carbon copy, is when a copy of an email is sent to some people, but their email addresses do not show up in the to or CC address line of the email. Confidential information. Using BCC when sending an email containing confidential information protects the privacy of the recipient. Bulk emailing. When sending bulk emails, using BCC prevents recipients from seeing each other's email addresses. Sending to multiple people. If you want to send the same email to multiple people, you can use CC or BCC. However, please note that bulk emails can sometimes be mistaken as spam, so choose the appropriate method. To learn more about how to use Gmail, please follow BART Solutions.